Welcome to week 16. We are at the end of the semester. So with this week, we have Unit 5. It's going to be discussion. We have assignment 27 and 28. And also you will have an exam for this week. Keep in mind we need to start preparing for the final here next week. Make sure you review PowerPoint number 11 and 12. And the objectives will be covered in 9.7, and our outcomes do stay the same. So with this unit, we're still looking at 7 and 8 in your textbook. You should at this point know the difference between our numbering systems. Make sure you study them for the exam. Also, make sure you know the two major categories of filing, alphabetic and numeric. Students at this point should be able to arrange these numbers in alphabetic, numerical, terminal, middle digit order. And then Chapter 8 goes ahead, and this covers our indexes, registers that are maintained by the healthcare facilities. So let's go ahead and take a look at our assignments. Let's start off here with message board. So I want you to go to page 251 in your book. Here you will see a bunch of different internet links listed. So one thing to remember, you're an employee of a health records management department, and you want to state why the product would be a benefit to you as an employee. So again, you want to look at what product do they offer, how would this make your job easier, does the website make you want to buy their product, would this product be better for a large or a smaller HIM department, and why? And then for an additional 10 points, go ahead and review another student's post and comment. Okay, you will see here for assignment 27, we have new patient registration. Now this isn't typical HIT functions, but it's very important for students to know this aspect also, because if you're in a smaller office, you're going to be doing numerous different tasks all the time. And then here we have checking in a patient, updating patient registration, and editing patient registration. So once again, these are very important tasks that all students need to know. And then you will see here we have review for for exam 5. And then for next week, we will go ahead and we'll be looking at review for the final and your final exam. So any questions, just let me know this week. And make sure you shoot me an email.